Welcome. Now it's time to roll up our serves and see this tool in action. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set up contact buttons inside your account so that by the end of this section, you will be able to create your own buttons that triggers automations or link directly to important resources just in a few minutes. Once you log into app.jjplugins.com, click on your profile, click on settings, and on your left hand side, click on links, and you click on add link to choose a service you want to work on. Let's add a service which should be contact buttons, and then you click on save. Once that is done, you search for the services which you added, which is the contact button. You copy the link, and then you head to your agency and you add a custom menu link. When you are at the level of the agency view, head to settings, and under settings, you're going to see the custom menu links. Click on it. Then you click on create new. You will be required to enter an icon. You give a title, and you are going to paste the link which we copied from the contact buttons which you created here. You paste the link right over here, and then you choose a sidebar preference. You choose an account where you want the custom link to appear, and you give a role-based visibility. Then you click on save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch to the account and the custom menu link is going to appear. At this level, you can decide to add your buttons through your sub account, or you can head back to the agency. You click on integrations and you click on contact buttons to add. So there are two ways to add your buttons: from your GHL plugin itself and from the sub account where you added the link. So let's move ahead to add a button. So we are going to be adding our button from the GHL plugin. Click on the add button and you give a name to your button. Let's say tests onboarding, and let's choose a scope. You can choose an agency scope or you can choose a sub account scope. We choose an account where we want the button to pop up. And let's choose a type here. We're going to take a tag and let's give an icon to this tag. Let's choose this and let's change the background color of our button. Let's go with yellow, and you save your changes. Oh, we forgot to add a tag here. Let's add a tag, test onboarding. Good. We are good to go. Then you click on save. Click on save changes. Let's add another button, and here we are going to choose, let's say, test form. We choose a scope, which is the sub account. We choose an account. Let's give it some time to load. And we choose a type here, which is the link. We choose a link type. Let's go with iframe. And here we are going to take a link of a form and insert here so that our clients will be able to submit their form whenever they click on the button. So let's head over to the form, click on integration, and then click on share. You copy the link, and then you paste the link of the form right over here. You can give an icon to it. We set the width to be 0. Then we give a background color. Let's choose blue, and you save. Once you're done creating your buttons, let's click on the settings and we make sure to toggle the availability. We want it to appear at the level of the contact details page and at the level of the conversation detail page. So when this is toggled, you click on save. Now let's head over to our account and see how it looks like. You can also add the contact buttons from the custom menu link which we added into your account. So since we decided to add the contact buttons from the GHL plugins page, let's just search for contacts and see how it looks like. Click on contacts, select any contact to see the buttons. So here we go. We have the two contact buttons which we created. And there is one important thing you need to do. In case you've never come across any of our plugins, you need to get the script and embed it at the level of your agency before you can proceed using our plugins. And this script is embedded only once at the level of the agency. So let's show you how to embed this script. Get the script, head over to your agency view, and under agency view, click on the settings and click on company and paste the script right over here. You have to embed this code into your agencies before you can proceed using the plugins that we provide. So these are the two contact buttons which we added in this account, the test onboarding and the test form. We have already done an automation for the test onboarding. So let's head over to the automation. You add a trigger. Let's add a trigger. And the trigger here will be test onboarding. Then you add a note. And in this note, you can insert a message that you want it to pop up whenever the contact button is clicked. Click on the contact button. Then let's head over down and search for tags. At the level of the tag, you'll see that the test onboarding tag has been added to this particular contact. And as well, the note was popped up right over here. This is the note which we added at the level of the action in the workflow. So this is how the test onboarding button works. So if you click on the automation as well, you will see the automation that this button is found. We also have the contact button, which is the test form. Let's click on it to see how it functions. This is how the form looks like. It automatically pulls the email that is in the contacts. In just a few minutes, you set up fully functional contact buttons. That's the test onboarding and the test form that can save you hours of manual work. See you in our next video.